Hey everyone, stop struggling with plain Word documents. With Canva, you can build a business proposal that not only communicates your plan but also captures attention instantly. Today, I will show you how to design a proposal that looks like it was made by a professional team. So let's get into it. First of all, let's open this website. This is the interface of canva.com website, and I have already logged into my account. So if you want to create a business proposal, you just need to click on this plus icon, okay, or you can also see for here doc. So you just need to click on this doc, create a doc, or you can also write your prompt here and it will generate you a document file. Okay, so let's start with the document file. Okay, and it will open in a new tab. Okay, so the interface that you will get, this will be the this kind of interface you will get. Here we are going to use a ready-made template. You don't have to do anything, you just have to select any specific template as per your business proposal niche. Okay, we want a business proposal. Let's suppose we want business proposal sales agency. Okay, so let's see. You will get a lot of templates. You can see there are lots of templates here. You can select any of the templates you want. Okay, let's suppose we want this business proposal template. Okay, so we have finally selected that template. Here you can do all kind of customization. Like you want to change the text, you can change the text. Okay, so this is the template. Let's change the template first. Let's see. So finally, as you can see that this is our template. Okay, and if you want to do any kind of change, you can just select the change that you want to make. Okay, so here you can do all the changes. Like you want to, if you want to change the text, you can change the text as per your business proposal requirement. You can also add images here. You can see that is animation here. Okay, if a person scrolls, then he will get animation. So that's how you can do some changings and you can create a business proposal you want. You can see after doing some changes to your business proposal, you can just simply click on this share button and then you can go for the download button and then you can download is a PDF standard file. Okay, so that's how you can use Canva AI document file for generating business proposal for your company. So that was all about Canva, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.